This kitchen looks expensive, but here's something strange. The cabinets aren't premium, the appliances aren't luxury. So why does it look professionally designed? Because of a few hidden cabinet decisions that most beginners never notice. In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete kitchen in Coohom using cabinets, tall units, appliances, and wall cabinets. And by the end, your kitchen will look completely different. Now, let's start designing.
Part 1. The cabinet that controls everything. Go to the Kitchen Design tool on the right panel. We've already explored the basics in the previous video. Today, we're diving much deeper. First, open base cabinets. For a modern kitchen, I'm choosing no-handle cabinets. You can use common cabinets if you prefer a traditional style. Now open corner cabinets. You'll notice multiple options here. Some are designed for sinks. Others are standard storage cabinets. I'm selecting the standard single-door corner cabinet. Now drag the cabinet into your kitchen. At first, it won't fit perfectly, and that's normal. Switch to 2D mode. Zoom in, rotate the cabinet, adjust the position carefully. Now watch what happens next. One small setting changes everything.
Now click the cabinet, then move to the right side settings. Open Advanced Settings. Here, we're going to adjust the side seal panel depth.
Set it to approximately 2 feet. Then return to Basic Settings. Adjust its height to 3 feet and depth to 2 feet. Now the cabinet starts looking properly integrated into the layout. Next, go to Drawer Cabinets. Choose a 3-drawer cabinet. Drag it beside the corner unit. Here's the interesting part. Most beginners waste time adjusting every cabinet individually. But once you've correctly positioned the first cabinet, Coohom automatically helps align the others. Now let's continue building the run. Add left-handle cabinet, double door cabinet, trash bin cabinet, narrow bin cabinet, stove cabinet. As you place them, adjust widths where necessary. Don't worry if everything isn't perfect immediately. We're building the structure first. Refining comes later. Now the kitchen starts looking functional, but it still doesn't feel premium. And here's why. Professional kitchens don't stop at base cabinets. They use vertical storage.
Go to Tall Cabinets, select No Handle Style again. Open Functional Cabinets. Choose the single drawer tall cabinet. Drag it into place. At first, you might notice missing doors or panels. Don't panic. Simply adjust the height and watch Coohom automatically generate the remaining components. This saves a huge amount of time. Now let's add double door tall cabinet, pull-out basket cabinet, and suddenly, the kitchen starts feeling custom built instead of modular. But we're not finished. There's one appliance missing that completely changes the look. Let's build a dedicated refrigerator section. First, place another pull-out basket cabinet. Then go to Kitchen Appliances, Refrigerators. Now choose a refrigerator that fits your layout. Don't just choose the biggest model. Choose one that actually works with your design. Drag it into place, adjust the position, balance the spacing. And now look at the kitchen. It's starting to feel like a real home, not just a collection of cabinets. If you're planning to upgrade your Coohom subscription, use my promo code HOMEDESIGNER for up to 73% off Coohom Pro and HD Elite for an additional 10% off Elite plans. Links are in the description. Add a dishwasher. Many beginner kitchen layouts forget this step, but real kitchens need appliances integrated into the workflow. Now our tall cabinet section is complete, which means it's finally time for upper cabinets. Go back to Cabinets, select Wall Cabinets. Again, choose No Handle Style. You'll notice 2 options, Standard Door Cabinet, Flip Door Cabinets. For this kitchen, we're choosing Standard Door Cabinets. Start with a double door wall cabinet. Place it above the refrigerator. Positioning can be tricky in 3D mode, so switch to 2D mode. Align it carefully. Adjust the width, adjust the height, Now continue with single door wall cabinets. Place them one by one, then add a double door cabinet. Then continue filling the remaining space with single door units. At this point, the kitchen begins looking complete. But there's one thing I always check before moving forward: the functionality. Because a beautiful kitchen that doesn't function properly is still a bad kitchen. Now, let's open all the door with a shortcut. But many beginners don't know. Press Ctrl plus O. This opens cabinet doors instantly. Now check every cabinet. Do any doors collide? Are multiple doors opening awkwardly? Does the layout feel natural? This quick test helps you catch problems before rendering. And that's exactly how professionals work. They test first, render later. Now, I want to improve this empty side area. Instead of adding another cabinet, let's do something better. Open auxiliaries. Select the shelf option. Drag it into the empty space. Adjust it to fit perfectly. Now duplicate it. Place the second shelf above the first. And look at the difference. The kitchen suddenly feels lighter, more open, and more custom designed. Sometimes the best solution isn't adding more cabinets, it's adding breathing space. And just like that, we've completed the entire cabinet structure of our kitchen. But we're still missing some of the most important elements: countertops, sinks, cooktops, moldings, materials, and the details that truly bring the kitchen to life. So in the next video, we'll complete this kitchen and make it look like a real high-end design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other designers. And if you're planning to upgrade your Coohom subscription, use my promo code, HOMEDESIGNER, for up to 73% off Coohom Pro and HD Elite for an additional 10% off Elite plans. Links are in the description. And I'll see you in the next lesson.